In a world of flashy tech and throwaway cars, 2025 demands vehicles that go the distance. We're not just talking about style or speed, we're talking true dependability year after year. Whether you're driving cross-country or just across town, these cars will never leave you stranded. We've chosen models that real drivers trust and mechanics rarely see in their shops. From commuter-friendly sedans to versatile SUVs, these picks won't just survive, they'll thrive. No buyer's remorse, no unexpected breakdowns, no overpriced repairs. Let's dive into 7 rock-solid cars and SUVs you can buy with full confidence in 2025. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is a legend for a reason. It's practical, fuel-efficient, and stubbornly reliable. Its 2.0 liters 4-cylinder is quietly efficient, offering over 40 mpg on highways without sacrificing everyday usability. Acceleration is smooth and handling is predictable and solid, perfect for daily commutes. The hybrid version adds even more mpg with the same bulletproof reliability. Low maintenance needs and rock-solid resale make this a no-brainer for budget-conscious buyers. The latest Corolla has grown into a sleek, modern compact with sharp LED headlights and bold grille options. Sportier trims add flair, while base models keep it clean and professional. Its proportions are tight enough for city parking, but it doesn't look cheap. Subtle details make it feel more upscale than its price suggests. Inside, it's basic in the best way: intuitive layout, durable materials, and useful tech. Touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard, and controls are easy to use. Supportive seats and a quiet ride make it feel more refined than expected. It's functional, comfortable, and built to last through years of use. The Corolla's reputation isn't hype, it's earned. For buyers who want dependability over flash, this is the gold standard. But if you're craving more cargo space and adventure-ready performance, this next SUV is a trusted favorite. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is the Swiss Army knife of SUVs, practical, safe, and ready for anything. Every Forester comes with symmetrical all-wheel drive and a fuel-efficient 2.5 liters engine. It's not a rocket, but it handles dirt roads, snow, and urban errands without breaking a sweat. Steering is light, and ride quality is smooth, even on less than perfect roads. You can trust this powertrain to go well past 200,000 miles with simple upkeep. Tall windows, rugged cladding, and high ground clearance give it that go-anywhere look. Updated LED lighting and a bold grille keep it looking fresh without being flashy. It's boxy on purpose to maximize space and visibility. Roof rails come standard, perfect for weekend warriors with bikes or gear. Inside, it's airy, comfortable, and purpose-driven. Massive cargo space, flat folding seats, and smart tech make it family and pet-friendly. The touchscreen is responsive and includes all the essentials without overcomplicating things. Durable cloth or leather options hold up well over years of use. It's a dependable do-it-all SUV for people who don't want to think twice about where they're headed. Looking for something with premium polish and long-term peace of mind? This next sedan is luxury done right. Lexus ES. The Lexus ES combines comfort, prestige, and bulletproof reliability like few others in its class. Whether you go for the V6 or the fuel-sipping hybrid, both setups deliver refined, quiet power. This isn't a sports car. It's built to cruise with serenity and minimal stress on the drivetrain. Expect buttery smooth acceleration, superb ride quality, and nearly zero long-term powertrain issues. Lexus engineering keeps the ES on the road for hundreds of thousands of miles. It has a clean, upscale presence with its sleek body lines and signature Lexus spindle grille. LED lighting adds a modern touch, and subtle chrome accents complete the premium feel. The overall design is timeless, elegant without chasing trends. It turns heads without trying too hard. Inside, you're wrapped in soft leather, premium wood or aluminum trim, and total silence. The cabin is plush, with seating built for road trip comfort and daily driving ease. Infotainment is smooth and modern, and everything feels solid to the touch. This is the car you look forward to driving and sitting in every single day. It's the car that offers Lexus-grade reliability without sacrificing luxury, a rare combo in today's market. Need an SUV that blends ruggedness with refinement? Our next pick is a hidden gem that's built to go the distance. Mazda CX5. The Mazda CX5 is where fun to drive meets rock-solid dependability in a sleek, well-rounded package. It's surprisingly sporty for an SUV, with sharp steering and optional turbocharged punch. Even the base engine is smooth and efficient, offering solid MPG and a composed ride. It handles like a sedan, but hauls like an SUV, the perfect everyday crossover. Owners report high satisfaction and minimal major mechanical issues over time. The CX5 has one of the classiest designs in the segment. Think luxury looks without the luxury price. A sculpted body, bold grille, and sleek LED lights give it serious curb appeal. Choose a darker color and blacked-out trim, and it rivals premium brands on style. It's a true head-turner for the price. Step inside, and it's all soft touch materials, clean layout, and refined touches. Top trims offer Napa leather, real wood accents, and one of the quietest cabins in its class. Tech is intuitive and responsive, with physical knobs where you want them. Comfortable seats and solid build quality make it ideal for long-term ownership. The CX5 proves you don't have to sacrifice style or driving joy to get a durable, trustworthy SUV. Hyundai Santa Fe. The newly redesigned Hyundai Santa Fe isn't just stylish. It's rock-solid, spacious, and built for the long haul. You get smooth power from a turbocharged engine or a hybrid option, both focused on efficiency and durability. All-wheel drive is available for extra confidence, and the ride is cushioned for daily comfort. Hyundai's recent reliability scores have climbed fast, and the Santa Fe is leading that charge. Plus, the warranty is unmatched. 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain. The 2025 model looks bold and boxy, almost Land Rover-like, with LED lighting and muscular lines. It has a strong, upright stance that screams presence without being too flashy. A larger grille, squared-off silhouette, and wide fenders give it a tough, premium vibe. It's turning heads in all the right ways. Inside, it's surprisingly upscale, especially for the price point. There's loads of tech, dual displays, quality materials, and thoughtful storage. Rear passengers get generous legroom, and cargo space is class-leading. It feels more like a luxury SUV, but without the reliability risks or premium price tag. Santa Fe is one of the best family-friendly, long-lasting SUVs that delivers on both looks and substance. Kia Forte. Often overlooked, the Kia Forte delivers rock-solid reliability, great features, and surprising longevity. Its 2.0-liter engine is efficient, smooth, and easy to maintain, perfect for budget-conscious drivers. You're not getting race car thrills, but what you do get is consistent, worry-free commuting. Handling is confident, and the ride is well damped for its class. Mechanics consistently report fewer major repairs on the Forte than many rivals. It's compact, but with a clean, refined design that makes it look more premium than expected. The Tiger nose grille, sharp LED accents, and athletic stance give it a sporty edge. Subtle styling updates in 2025 keep it fresh without losing familiarity. A real sleeper in the best way. For a budget sedan, the Forte punches above its weight with high-quality plastics and intuitive tech. A large infotainment screen, physical controls, and great visibility make it user-friendly. Seats are supportive, and trunk space is solid for weekend getaways or grocery runs. You won't believe the value packed inside. It's proof that you don't have to spend big to get a reliable, well-rounded, and durable car. Ford Bronco Sport. Don't be fooled by its small footprint. The Bronco Sport is built tough and made to last. With standard 4x4, a strong 3-cylinder turbo, and off-road-ready modes, this SUV is built for action. It's surprisingly nimble on the road, yet solid and planted on gravel, mud, and snow. Fuel economy is decent, and the drivetrain has proven surprisingly trouble-free in early owner reports. It's the Ford people are shocked to see lasting well beyond 100,000 miles with little drama. Boxy, bold, and adventurous, it carries the Bronco DNA with a smaller, more daily drivable form. Chunky tires, roof rails, and a rugged grille give it outdoorsy charm. Its unique design stands out in a sea of crossovers that all look the same. You'll either love the look or really love the look. Inside, it's built for durability and utility, rubberized floors, easy clean surfaces, and lots of cargo versatility. The seating position is upright. Visibility is top tier, and there's clever storage throughout. Tech is simple but modern, and all controls feel sturdy and logically placed. Great for people who want a reliable SUV that doesn't mind getting a little dirty. It's one of the few compact SUVs that can take a beating and keep running. With zero complaint, Consumer Reports' 2025 reliability rankings confirm what drivers already know. Toyota, Lexus, Mazda, and Subaru are leading the pack again. Kia and Hyundai have dramatically improved in the past 5 years, with many of their latest models now rated above average in predicted reliability. Ford's Bronco Sport scored higher than expected for long-term durability, especially in its drivetrain and suspension components. Meanwhile, models from luxury brands like BMW and Mercedes still struggle with electrical gremlins and high-cost repairs, especially after warranty ends. These 7 vehicles prove you don't have to gamble when buying a car in 2025. You just need to know where to look. Skip the hype, avoid the lemons, and choose something that delivers value year after year. Want more car lists, reliability rankings, and ownership tips? Hit subscribe, tap the bell icon, and join our Car Smart community. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and never buy with your eyes closed.